Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to share an ear tag. So basically sharing an ear tag is a straightforward process, especially if both users have iPhone running iOS 14.5 or later. So ensure both you and the person you want to share the ear tag with have iPhones running iOS 14.5 or later. So let's get started. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed on iPhones and can't be deleted. Tap on the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. You should see your ear tag listed here and tap on it to select it. Scroll down to the People section and tap on Share next to the ear tag. So select a contact from your address book to share the ear tag with. If the person you want to share the ear tag with isn't in your contacts, you can tap on Invite via messages to send them an invitation as well. So once the recipient accepts the invitation, they will be able to see the AirTag in their Find My app and they will receive notifications related to the AirTag's location and activity. So that is it. The AirTag is now successfully shared with the chosen contact and both of you can track its location and receive notifications related to it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.